If you have a house in Port Clinton, Ohio that you inherited, or if you have a house in Port Clinton that is going through a probate type of process, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying properties in and around Port Clinton, Ohio, and a lot of the sellers that we work with and speak to are people who inherited the property, or they are going through some type of probate situation with the house in Port Clinton. So we know firsthand that this could be a confusing process for you. This could be overwhelming sometimes. There could be attorneys involved and the court involved, and the last thing we're ever going to do is add stress to your situation. We want to keep it simple. In fact, one of our core values as a company is to KISS. It's to keep it super simple, and we're able to do that by buying the property in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't have to fix a thing. You don't need to clean, you don't need to haul anything away. Anything you want out of the house, you absolutely can take. Any family belongings or collectibles, by all means, you can have all the time in the world that you need, to take anything that you want. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy properties in their as-is condition is we're actually a cash buyer. So we're not relying on some third-party mortgage company or lender to approve this transaction, to appraise this, to send through a formal inspector who's going to nitpick your house. There is nothing like that at all. We're very easy to work with. We buy many properties in the area, and I know for a fact we can work with you as well. So if you have a house in Port Clinton, Ohio that you inherited, or it's going through the probate process, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name, but that's just because we were founded in Columbus. We work with sellers all around Port Clinton, Ohio, all over Toledo, and all over the great state of Ohio. We're from Ohio. We're locals, and we're not some call center. This isn't some company located in some foreign, distant land. We're familiar with Port Clinton, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what you are to us. We're going to be fair. And when we get on the phone with you, it's a simple conversation. We just want to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're currently working with. If you want to close quickly, we could accommodate that. If you want to be flexible and create a future date or set a future date, we could accommodate that as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Port Clinton house. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and communicate very clearly with you the entire time. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll simply shake hands and part as friends. You're never going to feel pressure, added pressure or urgency or games and, waste your time. We're not going to do that, leave a bad taste in your mouth. In fact, we have more reviews and testimonials than anyone else in the area, hundreds of references and testimonials for you, and we're happy to provide all of that to you. So if you've inherited a house in or around Port Clinton, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.